Welcome to my channel, Sparkling Glue. So glad to have you here. So I was working on this little folio and I thought we could make it together. So let me show it to you. So it measures, let's see, about 5.5 by 7. And it has a gatefold opening. And then it has two corner pockets on either side. And it flips up, and then it has this little pocket here. I just put a little card in, and it flips down, and then it has a belly band, and I just added some envelopes, little mini ones, and then I just put a little folded card in for either journaling or anything you want to do with it. And really the reason that I did is because you couldn't see the envelopes. They were, because I used the same paper, so I thought that this gives it a little bit of a difference so you can see. And then I made a couple tags and I just put those in, and so it just closes up, and then it has I just did a little square, a couple squares on the outside, and that's it. I just thought it was a really cute little folio we could make together. So let's get started. I'll just put this over here. The paper I'm using, just want to show you, it's Samantha Rose by DCWV, and this particular pack has a lot of patterns. So just depending on what you like, I don't know. There is a lot of pages with pattern, like just maybe background paper, I guess you would call it. So anyway, but they did have some pretty, and I'll show you which ones we're using today. So I thought this looked pretty kind of Eastery and spring and happy, so I thought we could use that. And this wasn't from this paper pack, but this one, it's from DCWV as well. And I'll try to link it, or not link it, but put the name of the collection that this one came from. Anyway, so let's go ahead and get started. I do have a cutting guide here, and we'll follow along with it. Let me just put it here, so if you want to take a screenshot, well, you could see that. All right. And okay, so the first piece we're going to do, let's put the scoring board underneath. We're going to cut 12 by 7. So I am using 12 by 12 paper. You don't need to for everything, but the first piece is, the size is 12. The rest of them are smaller. So this is already 12. We're just going to go ahead and cut by 7. And we're going to score on the 12, and we're going to score at 3, 3 1/4, 8 3/4, and 9. And I'll show you when we fold. So what we're doing is we're making little 1/4-inch gussets, just so you can fit some tags and paper and different things in. So there's just two, one on either side. So if you can see the score line. You could, there it is. I got it. All right. So I didn't really push down hard enough when I scored. Okay, so you see how we have the two gussets in there. Okay, so that's our base piece. Then we're going to make our top flap. And I'm going to go ahead and bring the piece back that I had left over. And the next 3 pieces we're cutting can all get cut from this. So this is a 5 by 5.5. This is already 5. So we're going to go ahead and cut this at 5.5. And the next one is 5 by 3.5. So I'm going to go ahead and cut that at 3.5. And then the next one is 5 by 2. Okay. All right, and the 5 by 5.5, our largest one, we're going to score on the 3.5 side. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, you score on the 5.5 side, excuse me. 5.5 side at 1/2. Okay, and that is making our top flap, which we're going to glue in right here. Okay, and then the next smaller one is the 3.5 by 5.5, and that you are going to score on the 3.5, and you're going to score at 1/2. Okay, and then you can just fold on the score line, and we are going to be putting that as our bottom flap. And then the 2 by 5 is the pocket, and I'm going to put it on the other side. That's going to go on here. So let's go ahead and just glue those in while we have them here. So for the top, I'm just putting glue on the top flap here. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm out of screen. Okay, on the top flap, and I am using art glitter glue, and I'm just going to line it up with the top of the page and then just try to center it. You just want to make sure that you're not going over your score lines so the paper can fold, and I'm just centering between the 2 inside score lines best I can. And then the bottom flap, we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to glue it on the bottom. So I'm just putting some glue. And then you're going to go ahead and just try to line it up with your flap piece that you have, and get along the bottom. And then just push down on both. And we have our, and this maybe could turn a little bit, and then our bottom pocket, and this one you're just going to put glue along the 2 outer sides and the bottom. And then go ahead and then just line that up with the very bottom flap. And now you have a little pocket. Okay. And however you want to keep this is fine. And then let's put this. So we did the pocket, and now we're up to the 2 side pockets. And this is 3 by 6. So I'm going to use a different paper I have. And you could use the same paper if you want. I'm going to go ahead and cut this 6 by 3. Okay, and then all I'm doing, just to make sure you can see it, is I am just putting the 2 corners on the cutting line. And then and this makes 2 corner pockets. Now the way it works is there are different ways. So if you don't like that, you see how if I want them on both the corners, they don't match. If you want them to match, you can put them where they're on the same side like this. They're both leaning up to the right. Or you could cut another piece. And we're just going to go ahead and line it up. And the same on this one. I'm just putting glue on the very bottom and up the side. and then line it up. And just pushing down. Okay, there you go. So you have the two pockets, and then we have the belly band that's left, and let's go ahead, and that is at 7 1/4 by 1 1/4. So 7 1/4 by 1 1/4. Okay. I'm just going to move these extra pieces out of the way. All right, and then we're going to score this on the 7 1/4 side, and you're going to score at 1/2, and you're going to score at 6 3/4. And then just go ahead and fold, and then we're going to go ahead and put it in. And just kind of center it. I did not do it right up to the score line, because if you want to add some envelopes or any detail, you can overlap it. If you want to, you can make it a little longer, but just make sure that it doesn't hit against this. Okay, and now, so we have, and I didn't put it on the cutting guide, but I made just 2 squares. So what I did is the first one is 3 by 3 and the second one is 2 by 2. So that you just have to decide which paper you want. And I'm thinking we could do, I also have some gold little butterflies I thought maybe we could put on top of one. So let's do this one 3 by 3. And then maybe we'll do this purpley one 2 by 2. And then I'll show you how that's layered. 2 by 2. And I cut the butterflies just a little drop under 2 so we could put them on. And then we're gonna, so it's gonna look like that. Move this and move this. Okay, so what you want to do, I'm going to do this piece first. Just put some glue on the back of your smaller square. And then just kind of try to center it best you can. You have a couple of seconds with the glue to make sure it's where you like it and push down. And then I'm just going to put a little glue on the back of the butterfly, which I did cut on the Cricut, and it's with a gold metallic paper. And just gonna rub the glue a little bit so it doesn't spread too much onto the page, but it does dry clear, so it should be okay. And then just line him up. I'm just going to turn it over to push down. Okay. And then there is a little glue, but hopefully that'll dry. And then what I do is I just put whichever side you want to use, you want it to glue to, just put glue about halfway on your piece. And then go ahead and decide where you want it. And then just place this on. covering the glue. Glue all over my hands. All right, and then just straighten it. It's drying quick. Okay. There we go. I think that looks pretty straight. And push down. Okay. So there we go. We have our little folio. And so I'll bring this one back so you can see. So I just folded little envelopes, but you could put lace on here or do anything you want. Oh, this was with the paper, so I just, I'll show it to you. It's some tags in the paper collection. So I'll just put that there. But we could, but depending on, oh, maybe this is even pretty, right? Because the purple there. And then, I don't, you know, just decide if you don't want to do anything on the belly band, don't. I mean, I just did it on this one. And then you can add a few tags in with whatever paper you have, or little notes or cards or anything. And then you have this little pocket in the front, and I had just folded, I just did this, so. And that's it. There you go. All right, I hope you enjoyed making this with me, and or watching, and then hopefully you'll make one. I really appreciate it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate you watching with me, and keep sparkling, and I'll catch you on the next video. Take care.